Hello everybody. Again, few queries are there, so I will come to you with first your queries. Question number 1, 14th part, how to do. So, exercise 9.3, question number 1. Here is the 14th part, that is 4x plus 7y. You have to multiply by 4x plus 5y. 4x plus 5y. You remember a plus x or x plus a into x plus b was the special product or was the first identity which I shared with you. So please pay attention. You have to identify to which identity the question is belonging to. So this is your question number 1, exercise 9.3, 14th part. Somebody has asked how to do this. So this result I said is always equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab, that is a into b. So here x plus a, because one term is common in both. This is a and this is b because these two are the different terms. So when the question is lying in this form, then that question is belonging to this identity. So this identity directly I can write because x will be common in 2, so I can take that common. Only once I will be writing a plus b their sum and a into b their product. So that you can do here. What is x here? That is 4x. Now this is x, this is a. So that's why this is x plus a. Again x is same but next term is different, so this is x plus b. That's why the question is belonging to this identity. Now what is a is 4x, so x square. A plus b means 7y plus 5y. That is your a plus b. And into x means again 4x square plus ab means 7y again into 5y, because my a is 7y and b is 5y. So what I did, simply I have substituted the value of x, that makes it x square, a plus b, value of a, value of b, a plus b into x. Again x is what? 4x. It is not 4x square, it is 4x. So plus 7y into 5y means a into b. A is this and b is this. Then solve it. 16x square, 7 plus 5 is 12, like terms are there, into 4x is there, plus 7 into 5 is 35 and y into y is y square. Again you see this is 16x square. At a time also you can multiply 7 plus 5, 12, 12 into 4, 48, or otherwise in this step finally you can write your answer, that is 48xy plus 35y square. So in that way you can find this product by using the suitable identity, and the identity used here was x plus a into x plus b. Then next query was exercise 9.3, same exercise. Question number 2, third part. Question number 2, third part. So let us see what is there in question number 2, third part. Question 2, here it is, third part. Somewhere x square minus y square, x square minus y square whole square, and then it is plus x square y square whole square plus x square y square whole square. So again you see somewhere here it is x square minus y square means a square minus b square. But what is the use of that? A square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. You can go for that inside the bracket. And otherwise you see this is a, this is b, so this is also lying in the form of a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square. So you can go in that way also. So here it is a, it is b, and then it is whole square. In that way you can use. Again here it is a, here it is b, and in between plus 1 plus is there whole square. So I can use a minus b whole square. So if inside you are thinking that this is a square minus b square, most welcome, you can do that. Then you have to split first in terms of a minus b into a plus b, because a plus b into a minus b is always equal to a square minus b square. In that way, but ultimately you will reach there only. So best idea to start with this is a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square, and then substitute the value of a and b. What is a is x square, so this is a square. B is y square, so this is here b square. A square plus b square, it is minus here, so minus 2ab, 2x square and y square, and close the bracket. Similarly apply for this, that is your a square x square whole square, b square y square whole square. Now it is x square plus y square, so plus 2x square y square, 2ab, and then close the bracket. So there are two identities. One is a minus b whole square and another is your a plus b whole square. So this makes a square plus b square minus 2ab, and again a square plus b square, but this time it is plus 2ab. So what is a and what is b? You have to identify very carefully. And then this is the whole square, so that's why I am using a minus b whole square in this part. Here it is a plus b, and again that is the whole square, that's why I am using a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now solve these brackets. X square whole square will make it x raised to the power 4. This one y raised to the power 4 minus 2x square y square, and now you can use the small brackets. Plus here again it is x raised to the power 4 plus y raised to the power 4, but here it is 2x square y square. Now you solve these brackets also. X raised to the power 4, y raised to the power 4, minus 2x square y square, plus x raised to the power 4 plus y raised to the power 4 plus 2x square y square. These two you can cancel, are the like terms. One is in plus and one is in minus. Now like terms, x with x, x raised to the power 4, x raised to the power 2x raised to the power 4, y raised to the power y raised to the power 4 will make it 2 y raised to the power 4. So finally you can take 2 also common, or you can leave your answer here also, that is 2x raised to the power 4 plus 2 y raised to the power 4. So please pay attention, try to identify the identity very carefully, what you have to do, and in a suitable manner, then you can proceed in your answer. I hope now that doubt is also clear. Next query from the same exercise was, that is your question number 3 second part. Question number 3 second part. Question 3 second part. There are 3 parts only. 1 and 2 already I have solved for you. Now you are asking how to do the second part. So here is the solution for your second part also. As I said that this question 3 is divided in two sides, left hand side and your right hand side. You can work out simultaneously, you can simplify both the sides, and then you will be reaching somewhere left hand side is equal to right hand side. That I did yesterday also in 2 of the questions to you, and today this is the query. So you see how you will be getting this. So you have to prove here left hand side is equal to right hand side. So very clearly you can see here in the left hand side it is lying somewhere in the form of a plus b whole square. So this is a, this is b, and a plus b whole square. So then it is 2ab. 2ab already is there, so no need to write anything about 2ab. So I will be writing as it is 2ab, and here nothing is there, so keep on writing 9a square upon 25 plus 25b square upon 9. No issues about that. I have to reach there. So here a plus b whole square is a square. A means what? 3a upon 5 whole square. B means what? 5b upon 3 square. A square plus b square, because this is a and this is b, plus 2ab. ab means 3a upon 5 into 5b upon 3. Now this is 2ab is equal to, nothing to do here, is already simplified, right as it is. 5 gone with 5, 3 gone with 3, ones are. So here it is 3a whole square will give you 9a square, and 5 square is what? 25. 5 whole square is 25, b square will make it b square, and 3 square is 9. So plus it is 2a into b, 2ab plus 2ab is there, and then in your question already plus 2ab is there. I'm sorry, here it is minus. Please do this correction. Here it is minus. So if this is minus, this was already plus 2ab. Make a note of that. 2ab will remain as it is, then equal to, and here it will be minus. So this will be minus, then plus 2ab is there, and right hand side is your 9a square upon 25 plus 25b square upon 9. Now you can see this 2ab and 2ab will go off. Plus 2ab and minus 2ab. So please make a note that this was in minus sign. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. Plus 2ab separately is there. I have to keep on writing plus 2ab till the end. So here the result will be minus 2ab plus 2ab will go off, and I will be left with this part in my left hand side, and right hand side already is equal to this. So therefore your left hand side is equal to what? Right hand side. So always your left hand side will be equal to right hand side when you are going to prove the sides. So please see that very carefully and be particular about your signs and all. Now next one is around your question number 4 somewhere. So first of all, it was asked that how to solve the question number 4 part number 8. So question 4's 8 part is 9.9. So there are all the identities which are the part of this question number 4. So 9.9 whole square. I said ki you need to split this 9.9 in terms of what? In terms of ending 0. So this is very close to 9 somewhere. So 10 minus 0.1. I think all of you are clear with that. If 10.0 I will take, and from that I will subtract 0.1. So definitely this will make it 9.9. So I will split it in terms of 10 minus 0.1 whole square. So a minus b whole square, now a square plus b square minus 2a into b. So 10 square is 100 plus 0.1 square means if you are not comfortable with decimal, you just convert it like this. Minus 2, 10, again you can write it 1 upon 10, so 10 will go off here. So here you are getting 100 plus that is 1 upon 100 minus 2. So here it is 100 plus 0.01. 1 upon 100 I can write as 0.01 minus 2. Now 100 and minus 2 will be 98 plus 0.1. So you should know how to add this 0.1 to 98. So that is the way. 98.00, 0.01 you need to add. So 1 here, 0 here, 8 here and 9 here. Do it in rough margin somewhere and your finally answer will be 98.01. So otherwise you can cross check by multiplying 99 into 99 and somewhere you will be reaching at 9801. Other parts are also there. I will be sharing few more parts from question number 4, how you can apply all the identities there as I applied a minus b whole square there. Suppose some product is something like this, 61 square minus 59 square. So if 61 square minus 59 square, this is the ninth part I am taking. I know this is lying in the form of a square minus b square. So comfortably you can go for a minus b. This is your a square minus b square, and what is that equal to? A plus b into a minus b. The special product is this, 61 minus 59, 61 plus 59. So these calculation I don't think anytime you will be finding difficult to solve. You know there is a difference of 2 only, and into this is 120, and 2 into 120 will give you the answer, that is equal to 240. Similarly somewhere it is like your 253 whole square and minus 247 whole square. So again you can see that is 253 minus 247 a minus b, 253 plus 247 a plus b. a minus b, a square minus b square, because this is a square and this is b square. Then what is a is 253, what is b is 247, and that is always equal to, I said a plus b into a minus b, so a minus b into a plus b, 53, and this, there is a difference of 6 into, very simple, you see, these terms are arranged accordingly so that no difficulty will be finding in getting the answer. So then 6 into 500 will make it 3000. So in that way you can get it. Then one another product is there, that is 203 into 204. 203 into 204. Now you have two options here. See, 200 plus 3 into what? 200 plus 4. I can write it like this. That is a better way to do this. Now I know this is somewhere x, this is a, x plus a. Again this is x and this is b. So I'm back to the first identity, that is x plus a into x plus b. And you know what is that equal to? X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So in that way, so what is x is 200. So you put that is 200 square. A plus b means 3 plus 4. So 3 plus 4 into x means what? 200 plus product of your a and b, that is 3 into 4. So 200 square, 2 square is 4. Whenever the two zeros are there and you are taking the square of two zeros, your result will always be the double of the zeros, that is 4 zeros. Make a note of that also. Number of zeros you are squaring, after getting the square, those zeros always get doubled. If it is 10, 2 zeros, 100. If it is 100, 4 zeros. If it is, suppose 3 zeros, so after getting the square, 6 zeros will be there. Then here also 3 plus 7 is what? 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 into 2 is what? 1400. And plus 3 fours are 12. And this, and do not try to be in hurry at the finishing time. Please write the answer from right to left. Add these terms properly. Otherwise, mostly I have seen the students committing mistakes over there. So you see, your answer will be 4141 to 41,412 for this product. So in that manner you have to proceed in these questions. One more is there, 95 into 105 now I am taking. So this is also very important to share with you. Otherwise you keep on trying. Wherever you are not getting, please send your comments. I definitely will be giving you the solution of all those parts wherever you are in trouble. This is very interesting. As I am telling, let us pick the ending zeros to split these terms. So towards the end, I will be getting, this is somewhere 100 minus 5, close to 100. Again, 105 is very close to 100. So you will find that will be 100 plus 5, isn't it? One you will be getting by subtracting 5 from 100, and other you will be getting by adding 5 to 100. So this is now there in the form of a minus b into a plus b, which I know is equal to what? A square minus b square. So this is the identity somewhere I am getting in this question by splitting it in terms of ending zeros, by writing it 100 minus 5 and 800 plus 5. So 100 minus 5 into 100 plus 5 is equal to what? 100 square minus 5 square. So that is 100 square minus 5 square, because a minus b, this is a plus b. This is always equal to a square minus b square. As I said, 4 zeros will be there, minus this is 25. Now from 10,000 you can subtract 25. So that will give you 9975. So that will be the answer for this. Similarly, you have your question number 5. There are 3 parts and you have to calculate the value of x. Suppose I am taking the first part. It is 15x. 15x is equal to 34 square minus 26 square. So left hand side nothing I can do, but here again I can go for what? A plus b into a minus b, as it is a square minus b square, because a square minus b square is equal to what? A plus b into a minus b. So 15x you can write now is 60 into 18. And final calculation, 60 into 18 upon 15, when I will shift this 15 to this side. So you'll be getting somewhere 5 3s are, 5 12s are, 3 1s are, and 3 6 are. So my x will be equal to what? 72. So that will be the answer for this. Similarly, you can try the other two parts by applying the identity of same in the right hand side is of a square minus b square, and then check whether you are in position to get the answer correctly or not. Otherwise, I will come back to you tomorrow. If you are finding anything difficult, try to finish this exercise 9.3 by today only. So that here 34 minus 26 is 8. So do the corrections. 60 into 8 upon 15 will be here. So now this is your 3 5s are, 3 20s are, or 5 1s are, 5 4s are. So x will be equal to 32. So in the same way, you can try the other two parts also. Right hand side in both the parts again is lying in the form of a square minus b square. So by today, please try to finish this exercise 9.3 so that tomorrow we can start about the next part of your algebraic expression, that is exercise 9.4. So if any query is still left in this exercise, please do ask that. Another query was there, that was how to do question number 1 and question number 2 of 9.3. There are many parts in 1 and 2, and mostly I have solved for you. And how to identify the identities? You need to apply the identities in this exercise because this is totally identity based exercise. So please apply the identities to solve your question number 1 and question number 2, all the parts. The next query was how we can come to know which property we have to use. That means which identity we have to use. So today, whatever the discussion I shared with you, throughout I tried my level best to make you understand how to identify the identities. So either it is lying in the form of a plus b whole square, or a minus b whole square, or a square minus b square, like this, or your a plus b into a minus b. So some special product. Simply 4 results are there which you have to keep in your mind throughout these 5 questions of your exercise and their parts. So please do practice, and definitely practice makes a man perfect. You know that. So until unless you are not going to devote the quality time or just applying the knowledge of these identities to all the parts of your questions, so you will be in difficulty. Otherwise, I don't think you will be finding any difficulty to get the answer of these all parts. Thank you.